we answer the questions we've prepared for Lena Dunham, we are going to play the game we have prepared for Lena Dunham.
We haven't even done the game yet.
We'll make it quick. Okay, Lena Dunham, we've invited you here to play a game we're calling Let's Hug It Out, Bro. So, you created the TV show Girls, which has defined for many, at least HBO subscribers, the essential nature of female friendship. But that service was done for men years earlier with the touching, funny, and ultimately moving tribute to male friendship, Entourage. So, sir, answer 3 of our questions about that show. You'll win our prize from one of our listeners, Carl Council's voice on their home answering machine. A fan of Entourage?
I am in huge trouble.
Yeah.
If the answer isn't Jeremy Piven, I'm in huge trouble.
All right. Yeah, we'll help you out. Glenn, who is Stephen Colbert playing for?
He's playing for Sandra Byers, Brooklyn, New York.
She might even be here. Here's your first question. Let us set the scene. GQ magazine, which knows from Bros, described the show this way. Was it A, quote, the most moving depiction of how men relate to each other since The Dirty Dozen? B, a show that is simultaneously too gay and not nearly gay enough? Or C,
Yeah, that's right.
or C, a 50-minute vehicle for boobs and product placement?
Oh, I wish it was B, but I think it's C.
You're right, Stephen. It was C. The recent Entourage movie, however, GQ described as a 90-minute vehicle for boobs and product placement. Next question. The show has done some good in the world, as in which of these? A, someone donated a new reptile wing to the San Diego Zoo under the pseudonym Ari Gold. That's Jeremy Piven's snake-like agent from the show. B, a woman announced she would subject herself to watching the horrible Entourage movie once for every $10,000 donated to charity. Had to see it 3 times. Or C, the Boston Police Department reported 10% fewer fistfights during the run of the show just because filming it kept Mark Wahlberg occupied.
I'm gonna go B.
You're right again, woman. Woman right, $30,000. She says the 2 things I hate most in the world are cancer and the show Entourage. Last question. One of the highlights of the show was the super agent Ari Gold, played by Jeremy Piven. Piven says he created the character by doing what? A, imagining himself
the superhero identity where some people are like, I want it to always be this safe white guy. But the truth is it was never a safe white guy. The Jewish guys who invented superheroes were doing it because they did not feel like white guys. They felt like outsiders.
That's Under the Radar with me, tonight at 6 on 897 WGBH.
Support for NPR comes from NPR stations and TIAA. Whether it's investing, advice, banking, or retirement, TIAA will make smart financial decisions to equal life, not define it. TIAA calls this the new success story. Learn more at TIAA.org. Angie's List, for more than 20 years, helping consumers select local service providers dedicated to promoting fairness and transparency about local pricing and quality at angieslist.com. Angie's List. Home is where our heart is. And CarMax.